Happy New Year.
Comrade, behave now.
Oh, sorry. Happy New Year.
My nigga.
We thank God for 2021. Even though many of you are mentors.
Many of us.
But you see, 2022 is a fresh year.
Yes.
But some of you have decided to carry your kilometer of 2021 into 2022. No. These things must stop. This nonsense must stop. All these things must stop.
What is it?
You want to bamba? You want to G with the big boys?
Number 2, I'm cutting off fake friends this year. Yeah. Hello, Taylor. Who you help? You that they've already cut off completely.
Oh my God.
New year, new me. Welcome to the world, bouncy baby boy, bouncy baby girl. Fit farm on the ground. Fitness king, fitness queen. You are eating grass on the ground.
Yes.
But at home, you are eating 300 naira eba with a buffet and even you got. Even at midnight.
Everything just up.
Stop that scam.
God will see us.
You tell a girl you want to take her out for a day. She's like, oh
my God! Wow!
oh, that's so sweet. Then you call her. Hello, babe. Where are you? Then she now says, we are on our way. Who is we?
I don't know.
Report and blow.
My nigga.
1 million Mother's Day in 1 year. Stop that nonsense.
Help us.
You are screenshotting up and down, shara. You are saving pictures of shoes, bag, perfume, car, luxury items from January to December.
Yes.
But you did not buy anyone.
Why, man?
Stop that nonsense.
Because I know the money.
They ask you simple question. Are you married? You say, slightly. Not really. Perhaps, Comrade Femi, perhaps what?
Something must kill a man.
Oh my God.
Because of just bum and breast, perhaps.
Because a big bum you want to die you. Because a big front side, you want to die you.
Someone tells you that you are looking so beautiful, then the next thing you reply, hello Lex. Smiles, please. What is smiles?
I don't know.
What is LOXXX?
Are you mad or something?
Blah!
Oh my Jesus.
Every small opportunity like this, you are calling yourself Babish. I'm a Babish. Beleo Babish. Aburo Elegushi.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
Are you a female dog?
You are a descendant of Jezebel.
With all the prayer they are praying for you at home, you are calling yourself Babish.
My dear, there's no rapture for you.
Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Hello? Are you coming or you are not coming? Okay. Are you going to sleep over? Comrade.
Something must kill a man.
You are not even afraid that if this person come and sleep over and the person did not wake up. Comrade, you get mine though. Because of breast and bum.
Because a big bum you want to die you.
Stop that nonsense.
Got your friend come up for you.
Hello? Wait for me in front of Mr. Biggs, but don't enter. Stop that nonsense. I'm a Pisces. That's why I'm unapologetically rude. I'm a Leo. That's why I'm always angry. Me too. I'm a Ment. That's why I will not take it. Stop that nonsense.
Go and sit down.
Hello. Please, who gave you my number? How did you get my number?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Are you not Rukayat online store on Instagram?
Jesus.
That put your number and say call or DM for inquiries. Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Welcome to our online store. DM for price. No refunds. Red X.
Sorry.
You say what? No what? You want to see crazy?
A fairly weary.
Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Your boyfriend or your husband, they ask you, baby, will you eat so and so? You say no. Complete no. He now buys it for himself. You are now bringing your hand.
Don't angry me.
Gender F. Stop that nonsense.
See, Oli, bravo.
So, how old are you? What do you mean? Don't you know it's rude to ask a lady for her age? 𝑻𝒊𝒎𝒊𝒕𝒂𝒊𝒏𝒆𝒓. Blocked.
Continue.
Embezzling transport fare. Stop that nonsense.
This thing will end today.
Those of you that always look at faces before you serve jollof or small chops in Owambe.
You have not served us here now.
Stop that nonsense.
My dear, there's no rapture for you.
Chasing clouds before dropping a song. Stop that nonsense. If your song sweet, it's sweet. If it go blow, it go blow. Stop that nonsense.
Zazu.
You order a cab of maybe 1,000 naira. The driver now calls you. It's not like, hello bros, please, I'm on my way. Sorry, how much is on the app? You now tell him 1,000 naira. It's not like, bros, can you pay 2,000 naira?
You think say they wise?
Say what?
You are a criminal. Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
You get to a car park. You pay cash. He gives you tally. You now enter to park your car. You now see cars are parked at owner's risk.
What's the kind of
He be teen, so.
Now meant? Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
You are organizing a party. You now say gate fee, guys, 10K, ladies, free. Because of why?
God have mercy upon us.
Stop that nonsense.
Go and sit down.
Send your answer. Let me see what I can do. Please and please, this year, don't try it with me. Stop that nonsense.
No problem.
You are playing gospel music in your snaps. Very good. You are vibing to Akaya gospel music in your snaps. Very good. But for Lake, you are now shaking bum bum.
Suffocate them with your bum bum.
Do you want to tell me now that you don't know what you are doing? Chisom, you are vibing to gospel music and you are shaking the twins. No, come here now and tell me that you don't know what you are doing.
The spirit of Jezebel is upon you.
You have removed her from heavenly race, Abi.
My dear, there's no rapture for you.
Stop that nonsense.
No problem.
TikTokers. How many times did I call you people? If you people don't stop telling Mumu lies this year, I might have to step in. Stop that nonsense.
No problem.
Please, I need financial assistance. Send me 2K. You are chatting with someone and you drop your phone just 1 second. You pick it up and you see this message has been deleted. This message is no longer available because it has been unsent by the sender. Why?
My dear, there's no rapture for you.
You are a criminal. Stop that nonsense. What do you delete?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Invest just 100K and get ROI of 60%. Invest just 200K and get ROI of 70%. Stop that scam. Oh, and by the way, Festus. Oh, I beg, make I no just catch you for street, oh. Make I no catch you for street, oh. I'm jejely on my own with my phone and my power bank. You now come with your code, you're not like, I beg, make I. Nah, meant? Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Our network is 4G light, broadband. Yeah. But to open ordinary Google, use almost 1 minute. You see how you this traffic light network? What? Stop that scam.
There is God.
You view a post, you laugh like a mad somebody. You are actually entertained. But you don't like, you don't comment, you don't share. Is that not witchcraft?
My dear, there's no rapture for you.
You don't show love, oh. Stop that nonsense.
There is God.
Oh, and before I go, remember, life is like a mosquito. Sometimes it bites, sometimes it doesn't bite. Sometimes it bites and you are sick. Sometimes it bites and it kills. But remember to always approach life like an anti-malaria.
That is the voice of foolishness.
Comrade, waiting with this.
Whoa, comrade, what I'm trying to say is that don't give up on life. And if you like, give up. Now you know.
Think about your life.
Oh, see,
Bye-bye.